Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a text box to your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this text box option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor, draw a text box you want to. A text box now draw and click on this right sidebar arrow and text box properties now open. Here I'll change text box font color and border color. You can change it here custom color and click here and select the text box and click right button and select properties. Here also you can change fill color. I'll make this one close and you can change this transparency and this is border style. You can make it solid color and this dash border. I will make a solid border and border thickness I'll make it 6 and fill color also I'll make this color. Now double click on this text box. You can type your text and press Ctrl S, select text font color. I'll make it white color and see this. Also you can copy and paste text here, new text and so on. You can make it cross out, you can center a line, bullet point and numbering and so on. And this border thickness and this transparency of this text box. See this. And also you can increase decrease this text box and you can rotate also. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.